Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for your support to me until this time. Now I will make video about the how to make run text with Filmora 10. This is Filmora version 10. Okay, the first we make background. Okay, for example, background this one. Okay, now we give titles. Okay, this one. Okay, this is we erase, delete. So this one. Okay. Now click icon and then click the animation. Okay. Now we source the animation. This one, left or okay, double click. Okay. Okay, so this one, click source, then this one. Okay, like that guys. This is click, yeah. Click this text and then double click left roll. Okay guys, and then you can edit this text, yeah. You can edit this text. Okay, for example, use update. Today Barcelona versus Real Madrid. I think until here my video. I hope this video can understand to your friend.